Sonnets of lies. Those 3 words that you said, sang, whispered to me. I've never forgot their sound. How your mouth gently opened and signed their letters. Sing to me those 3 words, which now bear my pain and have me to travail. Tell me them once more. The melody with which you speak has caused my ears to bleed. They have made to fall the walls of my heart, and they have lulled me to sleep. Tell me them once more. Lyrics which were not meant to be written, and a song never to be sung. Let me steel myself as you symphonize your symphony. Sing to me your sonnets of lies. Yes, I'm Roman, and that poem is entitled Sonnets of Lies. If you'd like to hear more about the poem, if you'd like to know the meaning behind it and other intricate details, let me know in the comments down below. And with that said, as usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And of course, if you'd like for us to discuss poetry or interact in the comments with your poems, I can even read them on my videos, let me know. And with that said, again, I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.